Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah and I'm showing you guys my fall wash day routine, and this has my hair super moisturized. So I'm starting off with wetting my hair. I always first saturate my hair with water before I even go in and start to shampoo. Then as soon as I start, of course, I'm about to be using that Cecred shampoo. I'm telling you guys, if you haven't seen my review of the Cecred products, go check that out. But that shampoo is literally the most moisturizing shampoo I've ever used. But I always start off with wetting my hair because I feel like that just allows my locks to expand and really be receptive to everything I'm using on my hair. So with this shampoo, a little goes a long way, and I'm telling you, your hair feels so like full and like my loctician told me, you know if a shampoo is good for your hair and it's absorbing correctly if your hair soaks it up, like expands, and my hair does that. But anyway, I always start with my roots. I wash that and then I make my way down the actual length of my hair, mainly using a lot of the shampoo from the top of my hair to trickle down. And y'all, look how cute my hair look. Okay, so I actually go through and shampoo twice, which is why I did that 2 times. But now I'm going in with the Reconstruction mask by Cecred, and my hair loves this. I've been using Cecred since May, no problems. But I just put the mask in my hair and I flip it up and I leave it up there for about 10 to 15 minutes, really, while I like actually shower. And then at the end of it, I rinse it out. And this is my hair. As you can see, it's already looking a lot more full, clean, healthy. But next we're going in with a hot oil treatment. Yes, because it's the fall and the cold air is out here and it's on our hair, especially for me as someone who exercises a lot and I run. So putting the extra moisture back in my hair is super important. So I did a hot oil treatment with peppermint oil, and that's me pouring it on my hair. And I warmed it up for about 15 seconds. I always make sure to go through on my edges, rub it through my hair, as well as go up the back of my neck for just strength. This is me showing you guys how healthy my hair is. And then I just put it up, put a bag up, and I let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. And this is my hair before I wash it out, and boom, I've washed it out. And I use a t-shirt to dry my hair, just like when I was a loose natural, because it's less harmful from what I understand. Now after this, I am wrapping my hair because I had to go let my dog out. Had to go out looking halfway presentable. Alright, this is me coming back in. I love how flat it looks, even without a retwist. But boom, going on with that leave-in conditioner. Y'all do not go in the comments telling me how much y'all hate this leave-in conditioner. I love it. My hair loves it. And as always, I say use what your hair loves. Do not complain about what your hair hates. Next, the Cecred lotion. Oh my goodness. I use this on every wash day because, y'all, my locks really feel silky when I use this. So I always go by and I put that in, and then I go through with my hair with some more oil on my scalp. Then I actually seal the entire length of my hair with Jamaican black castor oil. But I do my hair in halves, which is why you only see me doing one side to start off with. But again, I do the leave-in conditioner. I go through with the Cecred lotion. Then I oil my scalp, and then I oil the actual hair itself. And I promise you, this keeps my hair so nice and moisturized. And then I'm showing you again how much cream I use. Again with the cream, if you hate cream, great. Don't use it. Me, I like it. My hair likes it. But boom, going through oiling like I said. And then after, I always put oil on my hands and like brush through, I guess slide through the front of my hair as well as the nape of my neck, like going upward just like that. And then the front, I just brush back like I have a brush in my hands. Yep, get in there. And this is it after, feeling nice and beautiful. So boom, the wash day is done. So I'm just putting on my do-rag. This is the one time I use a do-rag because I feel like it gets my hair super flat when I don't have a retwist. I don't plan on retwisting my hair. So I'm going through, I'm wrapping my hair up, and that is it for my wash day routine. As far as what I'm doing in the fall that's differently, mainly I now have the Cecred products as a baseline, which have just, wow, really helped my hair. And then it's going through with the Reconstruction mask and the oil treatment, the hot oil treatment on my hair to, again, put that extra moisture back in my hair and keep it nice and soft. But that is the end of today's video, and I hope you guys like it. Definitely try out this routine, especially if you're struggling with dryness. And look how long my hair is. Oh my gosh, we've been on this journey. If you've been following me for a minute, you have really seen my hair grow. Thank you if you're still around, and if you're new, make sure you comment and subscribe, and I hope you guys love my videos. Bye.